Desperate Czech people approaching me in increasing numbers would, in some way or another, open a briefcase or a small trunk and pull out bales of Czechoslovak money. I agreed to exchange their Czech money with U.S. currency from what was left of our operations funds. There was a sliding scale, the most needy getting the best rate of exchange. They couldn't cross the border with foreign currency, so I went in and out of Prague 7 times and placed the dollars in banks strategically in Geneva, London, and Paris, so that if they could escape, their money would be waiting for them. I knew it was illegal, but I did it because I had no other choice. I was beyond the pale of civilization. I owed no ethics to anybody. I owed no honesty to anybody at all if I could save imperiled human lives. Everything had to be carried out in the head and as a word of honor. I had never been a good bargainer, but there was a sudden excess of adrenaline born of my hatred of the Nazis and my intention, which may qualify as a Christian intention, to do as much as I could for these people.